The Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Thursday, the 13th of April. I'm James Spann. Warm, dry weather through the Easter weekend. When will this pattern break, or will it break before summer? Let's go in there and check things out today. Water vapor satellite view. Nice ridge here across the deep south. Little impulse coming out across the Great Plains that will have no effect on us. Temperatures are well up in the 80s today. Almost 10 degrees above average. Birmingham at 84. And we're going to stay in the low and mid-80s each day through Sunday. Around the nation, we are clearly the warmest spot in the country, the southeastern states with a ridge. The cool air north of us will not make it down this way anytime soon. And around the nation, a very quiet mid-April day. Check the convective outlook for the rest of today and tonight. No severe weather expected. A few pockets of thunder. Tomorrow, day 2, risk of severe weather for the western high plains. And on day 3, which is Saturday, a risk of severe storms out across the nation's breadbasket, parts of Kansas and some of the adjacent states. But again, we're just dry here. And this is the rain for the next 7 days, valid through Thursday morning of next week. Could see a few scattered showers early next week, Monday and maybe Tuesday, but generally speaking, rain amounts will be pretty light. The bigger numbers well to the north of here. So let's see what we can dig through here. Model fans, here's the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock. Again, a nice 582 ridge right on top of us. So tomorrow, just like today, mostly sunny and warm with mid-80s likely. Saturday as the weekend begins, no change. Mostly sunny, highs well up in the 80s, and pretty much the same deal on Sunday. And again, moisture levels will increase a bit. You might consider a slight chance of a shower, but with the ridge, I just don't think we need to do that. I'd say the high Sunday between 80 and 85. Now, Monday of next week, a surface boundary approaches from the north, and that might kick off a few scattered rain showers. Tuesday, the front hangs up north of the state and probably starts to move northward. I would say the better chance of showers next week will be on Monday, and then Tuesday here, the better chance maybe near the Tennessee border. Wednesday, again, we've got ridging, highs, low 80s. Any showers should be few and far between. And a week from today, Thursday the 20th, a nice trough in the western states. Ridge flattens out a little bit here. We got a deep surface low across the nation's heartland. But again, that looks warm and dry. We'll check the end of the forecast period. This is Sunday, April 23rd. Troughing to the west, a cold front moving in, and just maybe that'll bring the next decent chance of rain. But that's 10 days away, and this could easily change. And looking at the QPF output, this is just not that good. This is the rain through Sunday the 23rd, suggesting rain amounts for most spots around here 1/2 inch or less. And we typically see a lot more than that here in mid-April. This is the core of the tornado season. But again, this is coming off the European ensemble, about 50 members, and this is out to 45 days. And yeah, this is voodoo. This is not specific weather, but it's looking for pattern recognition. And again, what the European ensemble is telling us here is that there seems to be a chance for the pattern to break, the wave train to come back, and a more active setup in May. In fact, this is suggesting rain amounts could exceed 5 inches from late April through the end of May, and we hope that certainly is the case. But in the short term, highs in the 80s, lows in the 60s, a bit cooler weather showing up in about 10 to 15 days. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening, on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.